Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Kia Forte, and on this Kia Forte we're going to go over how you would pop the hood to be able to get inside to replace a battery or to do your fluid checks or to do anything like that. So down here is your hood release lever. So you're just going to pull that lever and then you're going to go around front. So right around here at the front and right here in the middle is your hood release latch. And so you just need to press it to the left and pull up on the hood. So you raise the hood up, and we've got the hood hood holder rod over here. You just take it, put it in the hole, and then it locks into place. And that way it keeps your hood up, so now you can do what you need to inside the engine bay. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.